ancient temples standing alongside tall skyscrapers. There aren't many cities quite like Taipei, which stands as a dynamic tapestry of culture, history, and modernity. Begin your journey in the area surrounding Taipei 101. The neighborhood is a haven for luxury shopping where international brands coexist with local boutiques. Take a soothing night's rest at Humble House Taipei after arrival. The hotel boasts its convenient location near Taipei 101 and mega department stores nearby. Make sure to request a room with a view of the whole district and Taipei 101 to take in views of this dynamic city. For your first lunch in Taipei, head to 85TD, a Michelin-selected Cantonese restaurant. The chef has spent over 50 years honing his skills in Cantonese cuisine to present diners with traditional classics and contemporary interpretations.
我做了这么多年，希望把所有我用的经验、好吃的东西带给客人。
Before leaving Taipei's tallest building, be sure to check out the Taipei 101 Observatory. The observatory offers panoramic views of the whole city. For dinner, go to Taiwan, the world's first 3-Michelin-star restaurant featuring Taiwanese cuisine. It's Chef Kai's love letter to this island, where he cleverly incorporates Western cooking techniques to showcase local culture and flavors.
我台湾人啊，我就是做我喜欢的菜啊，把我们的心意放在这里，然后让客人可以感觉到，这是蛮重要的事情。
Chef Kai's philosophy is perfectly exemplified by this foie gras, smoked milkfish, red plum, pear, and galangal dish. The smoked milkfish is then made into a foie gras terrine, an homage to Spanish chef Martin Barasatovi's famous dish with foie gras and smoked eel. It's time for a nightcap. Check out Le Salon at Palais de Chine Hotel, a Michelin Guide recommended hotel famous for its ornate interior of plush fabrics, imported furniture, and antiques. Pick a quiet corner to reflect on your first day in Taipei, while listening to the centenary disc-style music box, all with a cocktail in hand. Before leaving Palais de Chine, have a dim sum brunch at Le Palais, a 3-Michelin-star Cantonese restaurant. This is Chef Ken Chan. He started working in a kitchen at the age of 12. He's honed and perfected his culinary skills to bring out the best of every ingredient.
来义工吃饭的话，吃到点心的话，一个沙饺，一个烧麦是必点的。我们的馅料都每天都早上自己回来打的。 对，都不会买隔夜的。
With a hearty brunch out of the way, it's time to discover a different side of Taipei. Head to the historic district of Dadaocheng, a charming neighborhood where old meets new and modern becomes the new classic. Dadaocheng is a trendy neighborhood with independent boutiques, traditional shophouses selling dried goods and Chinese herbs, and art galleries. Dadaocheng is also home to several Michelin-listed establishments. And the famous Bibgo Mart establishment, Aqua Soup Noodles, is definitely one worth checking out.
但是就比较古早以前的做法，就是都是拿这个竹子来煮面，就我们一整天下来都是有排骨在里面熬，对。
From its flavorsome broth that is simmered with pork bone for hours every day, to its fried crispy scallions and sauces, that's perhaps the secret to its success. Lastly, no tour of Taipei would be complete without a walk around a night market. It is befitting to end your very 2 days in Taipei in a place that brings together Taiwan's diverse cultures and food. One of the most popular night markets in Taipei, the famous Ningxia Night Market, is located near Dadaocheng, featuring up to 200 stalls. You can eat to your heart's content. And that's 2 days in Taipei. Just like how it's impossible to cherry-pick the best things to eat in a night market, it's impossible to put a finger on what makes Taipei so special. Its culture, cuisine, architecture, and people are interwoven to give an ever-evolving identity and experience unlike any other.